As you can see, this is hot water. Right from the kettle, so hot, you can see it's flaming. Now it's very cold here in Russia, it's minus 34 degrees, very cold. Now I'm going to do an experiment.
Ok, ahora ya traduzco pues en español. Esto es lo que pasa cuando se echa agua caliente afuera. Ahorita
That's Spanish version.
Estamos a menos 30.
As you can see, it's very cold. I'm going to split it to the air and it's going to turn ice. Just watch. Watch this. Are you ready?
Wait.
Are you ready? 1, 2, go. Oh my goodness. You want to see it again? Let's give it a try.
Ok, pero cierra la puerta pues.
One more time. Hold on. You see, it's hot water, it's flaming. I'm going to split it up. What's this? Oh!